After several attempts at trying to reconfigure my bicycle, I've decided to scrap my idea for using an electric bicycle. This originally hooked up like so, and treadmill motor, it just isn't cutting it. So I've shelled out the $280 for a motor-mounted wheel. I mean, a wheel with a motor mounted into it. This is 48 volts and it's 1,000 watts. It came with a voltage controller and a motor controller, and it came with a 50-volt charger. Has a thumb throttle, and it came with a couple other things too. Just strange elastic band. Looks neat. And it came with a rack, which I probably won't use, and a couple other things like some new handle grips and some, the brake lever things. My main challenge now should just be trying to make sure the battery pack works, if this works. Oh, that's busted in. Oh well. So now I need a way to mount the batteries into the bike. I bought a automobile battery box at Walmart for about $9. It should be big enough. And I have some U-bolts I'll use. And I'll bolt them through the bottom of the box like so. They fit in there quite nicely. It even has room for the power controller thingy. Now, since this is where the wall of the bottom part goes, and so there's a gap where cables can get out on the sides. That should work fine, where I can have the cables over like that. And the cables will be coming out through here. I now have it bolted on there, and it's bolted on so that I can always adjust it if I want to. You see, by undoing this, that allows this part to telescope in or out, so I always could move it forward or back if it was badly counterbalanced or something. Now, the bolts do stick out, and that would hurt the batteries. So I've taken some cardboard and cut them to fit. Well, sort of fit. So now it has plenty of padding so those bolts won't poke through the bottoms of the batteries. Here it is all wired up, and look it's okay. Yeah, it is very sloppy, but it should work. Let's take it for a spin. Battery power is still a bit low. I imagine if I could pull more amperage from the batteries, it'd be able to have more torque and be able to go uphill. You can stop now.